everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I am going to be doing some really easy hairstyles. I geared this towards back to school, so I'm just trying to make these as simple, easy, and fast as possible so you don't have to spend that much time in the morning doing your hair. I know I would way rather spend more time doing my makeup than my hair. I usually just end up throwing my hair back, but I recently got it done, so I have been liking to let it down and doing some simple hairstyles. So hopefully some of these styles will help you guys out, and it can just change up your look a little bit for different days of the week. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell beside the subscribe button so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. I also filmed this makeup look for back to school, so that should be up on my channel right now. And if you'd like to know all the hairstyles that I am showing you guys today, then please just keep watching. Alright, so for this hairstyle, it's gonna be really cute and a little bit messy. So I am just first going to leave some front hair out and pull the rest of my hair to the back. Not all of it, just kind of the top half of my hair. And as I'm pulling my hair to the back, I'm also going to pull out some pieces just to make it a little bit more messy. And then I'm going to grab all that hair I took to the back and loosely put it in a little bit of a messy bun and pull it out just so it's laying down kind of loose on my head, and it kind of just turns into a little bit of a half up messy hairdo. So that is the first hairstyle that I like to do. So this next one is really simple and pretty. I think it'll look really good if you're wearing a flowy top or maybe a dress. So first of all, I'm just going to take a front section of my hair, whatever section you feel like will look cutest on your hair. I like the part where it's kind of by my ear, as you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just doing a regular braid, and once I'm done braiding that section of my hair, I'm just going to pull it to the back of my head and secure it with one bobby pin, and I'm just going to loosely kind of pull at my braid just so it looks a little bit more messy. And then that is the second hairstyle. Again, really simple. All of these are going to be extremely easy to do. And then on to the third hairstyle. This is going to be a messy ponytail, and this is by far one of my favorite hairstyles to do. It just looks so cute. So I'm first going to take out some front sections of my hair just because that's how I like my hair to look a lot of the time. And yeah, this one is pretty self-explanatory. It's just a ponytail. I'm just making it a little bit extra messy, so I'm just going to pull out some pieces that I want out and kind of work with that. I like to put this ponytail kind of near the top middle of my head, if that makes any sense, and I like to tighten it really tight and then pull out pieces afterwards too, just to kind of get that messy effect. And then if you have a rat's tail like me, then definitely secure that with a bobby pin. And other than that, I'm not using any bobby pins for this ponytail. This next hairstyle has to be the hairstyle I do the most. It is just so simple. I just slick back all of my hair to the back of my head, and then I do a low bun, and all I do is twist all my hair into a bun and then secure it with a hair elastic. And that is probably the most simplest and easiest hairstyle I do. That's probably why I do it so often, and I just like how chic it looks, but it literally takes 2 seconds and no effort at all. So this next one is also a lot on the pretty side. So first I'm going to take the left side of my hair and twist it all the way around my head, but focusing it near the bottom. And then I'm going to secure that part with the bobby pin just so it stays to the one side. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to do it on the right side of my hair, and I'm going to focus this twist on the top and also secure that with the bobby pin, and leaving some hair out in the front as well. And then that's it for that one. It's really flowy, it just adds a little bit extra something with the 2 twists. Alright, this last one is a super duper loose messy bun. It's not a normal messy bun, it's like an actual messy bun where you hardly put any effort, you just kind of squeeze it together and chuck it up there. I really don't know how to explain this one, but I basically very loosely gather all my hair to the top and secure it with an elastic. I just wrap it around a couple times, and then sometimes I'll put some bobby pins in there just to secure it a little bit better. This messy bun doesn't sit on top of your head, it kind of sits at the back and just hangs out there. Alright, well, that is it for all the hairstyles. Nothing crazy. No crazy braids or anything. I know I am not good at those at all, and they also take a lot of time, so I just wanted to focus on something really simple. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.